Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. If you are facing issue with the shared printer and getting this kind of error on the client PC, I will show you the full error. Windows cannot connect to the printer and you can see the error code as well. So if you are facing this kind of error, in this video, let's fix this. First, cut this error. Now on the client PC, you have to restart a printer service. So click on the Windows icon, type service. Now you will see the result, services, click on it. So these are the Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called printer spooler. This is a service we need, printer spooler. Right click on it, click on properties. In the startup type, make sure the option is selected as automatic. Okay. And after that, right click on the service again, then click on restart. So this will restart this particular printer spooler service. Now cut this window. Now check if you are still getting the same issue or not. So I'm getting the same result, same issue. Now cut this window and move on to the next method. Now go to the host PC, the printer connected with. So this is my host PC. Now you have to edit the registry to fix this issue. So first open the registry editor. Press Window key and R together to open run command and type regedit. This will open the registry editor. Now on the left side, select this folder, HKey local machine, expand this folder. Now select this system folder, expand this folder. Now select this folder, current control set, expand this folder. Now select this folder, control, expand this folder. Now search for a folder name called printer. This is the folder we need. Select printer folder. Now on the right side, right click on the blank space, go to new, then click on this option, dword 32-bit value. Now you have to rename this. Type this name carefully, then press enter. After that, again right click on this one, then click on modify. Make sure the value data will be 0. Click on OK. Cut this window. Now after that, you have to restart that printer spooler service on host PC as well. So click on Windows icon and type service. Click on this services option. Now search for printer spooler service. Right click on it, then click on properties. The startup type will be automatic. Okay. Now restart this service. That's it. Now your issue will be resolved. This is all for the video. Thank you.